continue, let's talk about what happens to the oil that is produced by the ophthalmos and the pineal gland. The pineal gland produces a honey-like substance, while the ophthalmos produces a milk-like substance. Okay, that's the place of milk and honey. All right. So the production thereof goes down the spinal cord from the central plasm, Santa Claus, the polaris. It's right here. The central plasm. It's a hole. It's a it's empty. It's a hollow place of the brain and the skull there inside. All right. That place is the central plasm. Is where they got the name Santa Claus. And now Santa Claus comes down the chimney, your spinal cord, going down into Bethlehem. That is why Mary and Joseph released Jesus. They created Jesus. And now Jesus goes down to Bethlehem where he's going to be born. But watch this. So what happens is this, and it's a nice story. The pineal gland, the ophthalmos, they produce milk-like substance which goes down the chimney, which goes down the spinal cord. It goes down to the solar plexus, which is known in the Bible as Bethlehem. And there, for 2.25 days or 2.5 days, it remains in a dormant state in a state of dormant, that is why Jesus, after coming down from heaven, he dies in Bethlehem, all right? And then he goes to the grave for 2.5 days, right? And rises up again and goes up to heaven where Mary and Joseph are waiting for him. Now watch this. As the milk-like substance and the gold-like substance stay in the solar plexus for 2.25 days, what happens is in those 2.25 days, they mix and form a gem, the Christ gem, the Christ oil. All right? It produces the Christ oil. And that Christ oil, now after 2.25 days, it rises up the spine. So Santa Claus, after bringing the gifts down, he drinks what? Milk and mixed with honey. The cookies could have honey. And then he goes up the